If no one's taught you about dry brushing, I'm here to teach you the right way. First up, before we grab our gentle body dry brush, we're going to prep our lymph nodes. First section I'm going to dry brush is closest to the groin. The most common mistake we see is starting at the feet. The reason why we start up towards the groin is because the lymphatic fluid flows up towards that area. So we want to clear that lymphatic fluid so we can get the most drainage possible. This right here is a common problem area of mine on the outer part of my head. I like to spend a little bit more time here and dry brush up towards the groin. Then I keep working my way down towards the thigh while dry brushing up towards the groin. Another little dry brush hack I love for my legs is focusing on the inner thigh area where fluid likes to hang out on me. I'll dry brush up towards the groin on the inner thigh and then work my way downwards towards the inner part of my knee. Then I'm going to work downwards towards the lower part of my leg while dry brushing up. I'm doing light short strokes and not pressing down on my brush. My gentle body dry brush is from BillyBeauty.com. Another one of the amazing benefits that I love besides lymphatic drainage is it can help improve skin texture, such as smoothing the skin and perhaps cellulite. As I'm done dry brushing the lower leg, I'm going to work my way up to the groin to complete the drainage process.